Okay, so this is a video introduction for the subject monetary policy and central banking. So this one is in connection or in relation with banking and financial institutions. Somehow they go with each other. They are some sort of companion subjects. Okay, so here we are going to focus on the monetary policy and the central bank. Okay, so for the topics that will be included in the discussion, so we have the following. Part 1 is about money in the nation's economy. So first topic is money and its evolution. We'll be having the origin of money, functions, features, kinds, and then we have the managed currency, different types of money used in the Philippines. Second topic will be about the monetary standard. So we have the definition and then the classifications of monetary standards, mainly commodity and non-commodity standard. And then third topic is about the monetary system. So we've gone through, history, pre-Spanish period, Spanish period, Japanese, American, Philippine managed currency system, inflationary period of martial law, and then up to the current issues, right? And then fourth topic, we have the Philippine monetary policy and its objectives, advantages, limitations, monetary and banking policy, fiscal functions, coordinating fiscal and monetary policy. So again, these two types of policies are in a way being managed by the government, okay, by the regulatory authorities. Second part would be banking institutions. Topic number 5 is about central banking, development, and growth. So we have the nature of central banking, definition, the origin of central bank, operations of new central banks, the Bangko Sentral and the economy, the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP, brief history of BSP, objectives and responsibilities of BSP. So here on the second part, so the main focus would be the central bank or the BSP. Okay, autocorrect. Alright, topic number 6 is the central banking authority. So under the central bank, we have the monetary board and then the board membership evaluation, powers of the monetary board, powers and duties of the governor, domestic monetary policy, how do they implement that? And then we have the international monetary stability, since our country is, of course, doing trade with other countries. So there's foreign exchange, international monetary stability. And then we have the present officers of the BSP. Topic number 7, functions and operations of the Bangko Sentral. So first off, we have the characteristics of central banks, functions, monetary tools, activities of the central banks. And then we have the BSP and industrial development. How do they contribute to that? The CBP coordinates with international institutions when the country is in need of financial help from international financial institutions such as the World Bank, IMF, or the Asian Development Bank, or other international financial institutions. So they go through the BSP or the central bank. Okay. Then we have the credit operations, security plan complex of BSP, gold and silver plant reserve management. Okay, and then topic number 8, we have the regulations and supervisions of financial institutions. So we have the Bangko Sentral, non-bank financial services, the banking institutions, and then the regulation of non-bank financial institutions. And then we have the supervision and regulation, distinguished types of examinations that they do, purposes of supervision and the regulations, effectiveness of supervision and regulation, benefits of banks supervision. So again, over the years, the financial sector or the financial system, the banks and non-banks financial institutions, they have gone through different periods of up and downs. We have the recession, we have depressions, we have financial crisis over the years. And through those issues or troubles, in a way, the financial system developed and new regulations were issued or implemented to ensure that those mistakes of the past or those problems that we've had or we've encountered in the past would no longer be issues in the current situation. Okay, so in this subject, we'll also be covering those events and the different types of developments over the years, okay, because of those events. Okay, topic number 9, the role of IMF, International Monetary Fund, in central banking. First, we have the organizational structure, objective, quotas of IMF members, normal facilities of IMF, IMF special facilities, and then the IMF conditionality. Okay. Topic number 10, we have central banking for socioeconomic development. I think this is the last one. The right to development, two different worlds, promotion of human dignity, deprivation of the rural poor, the miseries of the urban poor, the social responsibility of central bank. Okay. For this subject, I think it would be best if we start with the discussion of, what we've had at the last part of banking and financial institutions. So I'll probably do a separate video on the discussions about the things that were displayed or shown on the movie Default, which we've had in the other subject, the previous subject. Okay, so again, these are the topics to be covered in this subject, monetary policy and central banking. So those two, monetary policy and central bank, would be the focus of this subject. And then every week probably, or every other week, I'd like us to go over the different events, the financial crisis, the Great Depression that we've had in the past, and the different regulations that came about because of those certain events. Okay, so that's it for this one, just introduction, overview of the topics that we will be covering in this subject. Okay, so that's it. Thanks and bye.